If you've been with me on my channel for a while, you will know how much I adore Christmas. This year I moved during peak Christmas DIY making season, so I'm actually running a little bit thin on the ground for videos this year. But that being said, we're not gonna get festive up in here, so today I'm gonna be decorating the flat for Christmas. Before I do jump into today's video, I want to let you know it's very kindly being sponsored by Karma, which is a personal shopping assistant that you can use on your phone or your desktop. I've used Karma a lot before. You might have previously known them as Shop Tagger. We've talked about them a lot here, and they are the perfect way to save money on Christmas presents if you're doing some present shopping. So let me tell you a little bit more about them. Karma is a great way to organise your holiday shopping and save money on Christmas presents this year. I've been using it to track things I'd like to get for my friends and family, and honestly for myself in the January sales, I can't lie. It's so easy to do. If you use the Chrome extension for Karma, install is as simple as the click of a button. From here you can go to your favourite stores and save items that you would like to keep track of. Karma will then notify you when the item drops in price or comes back into stock, either via email or as a push notification. You can also categorize items into lists to help manage what you're looking to buy. Maybe you can make a list based on who you're wanting to buy presents for this year. When you're ready to check out, if you use the desktop version, Karma scans the web for coupon codes so you can get the lowest price available. And with selected retailers, Karma will give you cash back when you shop with them. If you want to check out Karma for yourself, click the link in my description below to try it out. Thank you to Karma for sponsoring today's video. Thank you to you for watching it. And if you want to learn a bit more about them, click the link in my description. So now I think it's time to decorate. I have very sneakily hid all of the Christmas decorations behind the dining table for the last couple of weeks. I need to find somewhere to store them, but this is what we've got. And I wasn't going to get a tree this year, but I did find this really adorable small tree in Sainsbury's for £10. So I had to bring it home with me. What can I say? I think I'm going to start with the tree because this is what I'm most looking forward to. And I think it's going to bring me the most joy. That is not bad for £10. And you might have noticed I plonked it in this bucket. I actually found this in Poundland and it looked better than the pot that it was in. It's still not super cute, but it was £1, so I might see if I can decorate it with a ribbon or something, if I can find one. So let's get some lights and some decorations in them. Come on now. Got ya. Have I? Maybe I haven't. The problem is I take my decorations down before January 1st because on January 1st I'm a new person. I'm the kind of person who remembers to wrap their lights with a piece of cardboard underneath. But on December 30th I'm not. So I'm gonna be right back. Okay? We're there, we've done it. And he looks so cute. And he smells so piney. I love it. Now this is what I'm excited about. This makes me so happy. This is my big box of felt Christmas decorations, and every year I accumulate a few more because I can't help myself, they're so cute. I'm just wondering how many we can squeeze on there. There are so many. I don't have a star this year, but I do have a rat. Cute. I fear that my tree is becoming more felt than pine, so I'm gonna balance it out with these baubles. They were in the Anthropology sale a few years ago. They say £8, but I'm pretty sure they were £4. Should these have gone on first? I don't know, but it's too late now. Next, let's do something with the fireplace. Another day, a different hairstyle. It's been a few days, honestly. I hit pause on this for a minute because I didn't really like how I'd done some of the things on the mantle, so I did go to the charity shops. I am actually shocked and appalled that in late November the charity shops have next to no Christmas decorations. So needless to say, I found very little, but I did get one thing that I'm really happy about. I found this stocking in Oxfam. It was £3.99, but it's brand new, and it's actually a Hearth and Hand Magnolia Target stocking. I miss Target so much. When I lived in the USA, Target was my favourite place to be. Here we are. Target came to me. Oh, I put those up the other day. What do you think? Do we like them on the table? We'll see if they stay like that. Let's get back into decorating and I'm gonna finish up this room. I'm not a huge fan of this. I think the trees and the houses and the stocking holders and the garland is a bit too much, so I'm gonna move the houses somewhere else and keep it a little bit more simple. That is looking much better. Does that look weird? Oh, I don't know. Which one looks less odd? This one or this one? I think this one, right? They look a bit wonky, but I will fix them.
Told lies. I can only hope that Santa Claus and my...
The other day I attached this Merry Christmas sign to an IKEA wreath, but I think it's safe to say I don't actually like it. I put it up and it's not my vibe, so I'm going to take it off and I'm just going to do some ribbon.
I have found the perfect tree and dressed it to the nines. I've even made...
I know I always say I can't stand my books in rainbow order because I can't find anything, but I'm gonna be a hypocrite for Christmas because we're gonna do something even worse. I'm gonna turn them around so you can't see the spines. I'm sorry, but it's only for a month. And all of the books I'm reading are currently strewn across my bedroom floor, so it's fine. Deep down inside, I hate it, but visually, it looks kind of good for Christmas. I'll be back when I've done the top.
Spreading all over town, but of course it's not true. They say Santa ain't...
I really enjoyed decorating the hallway this year. This area still needs a complete makeover, so please do not perceive anything outside of this very small section. There are frames everywhere that are about to go on the wall. It's on my New Year's to-do list. But yeah, I really enjoyed decorating the radiator cover and the mirror because I think it turned out really sweet. And yeah, I decorated the sitting room and the hallway mainly. I did put a couple of things in the kitchen, but it really wasn't worth showing you in the end. So I stuck with those two areas and just went all out in small sections this year, because I actually decluttered quite a lot of the bulkier items that I didn't use, and I gave them to charities such as stair garlands and things, because I no longer have stairs. It was quite hard to do because all my Christmas decorations give me a lot of joy, but I didn't want to have 7 boxes of stuff anymore. So now I think I've narrowed it down to about 3, which makes a huge difference. With the finishing touches put in place in the hallway, it's now time that I share with you what this all looks like. So this is how the sitting room turned out. And honestly, despite the fact that I've completely downsized to a smaller flat, I still think this turned out pretty festive and I'm really happy with the results. The sitting room still has a lot of its original character, like the rug and my smiley face pillow and just, you know, its original quirks with some extra Christmas decorations on top. I don't feel like it's completely taken over my life this year, which is quite nice for once. Let me know in the comments down below how you're decorating for Christmas this year. Have you also downsized a bit and passed on some of your Christmas decorations, or are you going all out? I would love to know about it. And with that, I think we've got to the end of the video. So if you do want to check out Karma, I'm going to link them in the top line of the description. Please do go and check them out. And with all of that being said, thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays, whatever you're celebrating, and have a brilliant new year. But I'll probably see you before then anyway, so I don't know why I'm saying that. Anyway, happy Christmas and happy decorating. Bye.
We're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas